So it's November the 17th of 2020, and I am getting ready to start preparing this little 6-point deer skull for a European mount. Now you may be asking where this deer came from, and it's a pretty cool story. This is my 14-year-old son's second buck. 2 years ago, he killed a buck that was actually a little bit better than this one. And then last year, opening morning, he shot a buck. Buck fell down, jumped up and took off, and we never could find it. So this year was revenge. We had another buck on camera that we were kind of looking for, but this one stepped out just after daylight. He got excited, which got me excited. So the rest is history. There was no intro to this video that morning. One is because we really didn't have a whole lot of time. The second part is I'm really not that comfortable talking to the camera just yet, as you can tell. But not a lot of good footage prior to the shot. Some pretty entertaining footage just before the shot and during the shot, and then we got some stuff afterward. But anyway, it was a pretty special moment for us. I'm going to prepare this to boil out and bleach for a European mount. Be a couple-day process, but I'm going to film it as well. But while I'm doing this, you guys watch that, and I'll see you when you get done.
wasn't the 8-pointer, but it was close enough. That was the quickest kill I've gotten.
Yeah, let's just sit here for a minute. Go back on safe. Make sure he's dead, Harry. Make sure he's dead. Get around behind him. Just kind of nudge him a little bit. All right. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm sorry for the lack of footage. Kind of new at this whole thing, but I felt like what we did get was too good not to share. So there you have it. Proud moment for my son, proud moment for me. And while you were watching, I got this deer skull ready for to boil out for a European mount. That'll be a whole other video. Hopefully that'll be a little bit more successful than this one. But yeah, it was a good hunt. It was a good morning. We had a ball. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.